Inventory has dropped to only 156 homes for sale with a median sales price of $607,250. Days on the market are up, though, to 47 days, where they were 10 days or less earlier this year. It's Friday, October 15th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Guess what? If you own a home in Annapolis, you are actually richer this year. Overall, the Annapolis real estate market is up 6.4% year over year to a sales price of $488,000. Prices for homes in 21401 and 21403 are both up 8.2%. 21401 sales price is at $530,000. 21403 is up to $466,250. 21409 is up 14.5% to $455,000. 21405 is up 38.3% to $1,002,500. Although inventory is tight in the area, a buyer will still benefit purchasing now at the lower interest rates, creating better opportunities for a lower mortgage payment. Predictions are that the market will continue as it has been over the next 2 to 3 years. So buying now, you'll be purchasing at a lower price with a lower interest rate, and you'll gain equity. If you are considering to sell right now, just jump into the market. Timing is right. If your home needs a bit of updating, talk to me about our Seller Refresh program, where we will update your home with fresh paint, carpet, a new kitchen or bath, whatever, to maximize your sales price and at no upfront charge to you. Give me a call to discuss the details. The area has only 18 rentals available at an average of $27.88 per month, and homes are going under application in 10 days or less. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Snapshot for Friday, October 15th, 2021. Thank you so much for tuning in. Oh, and be sure to check out our pumpkin carving contest and enter your carving masterpiece for a chance to win fabulous prizes. See the link below for details. I'll see you next week for another update. Take care. Enjoy the weekend.